Welcome to English Conversation Practice. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a short intro conversation with someone. Repeat each sentence and practice them. Watch the entire video to learn better. You are watching Quick English by Neil Sir. Let's begin.
Hi, my name is Gia.
Hi, Jia, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John. Where are you from?
I am from California.
Oh. Cool.
Where are you from?
I'm too from California. How old are you, John?
I am 30 years old. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers. I don't have any sisters. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a sister. I don't have any brothers.
How old is your sister?
She is 26 years old.
Are you married?
Yes. I am married.
Is your wife working or is she at home?
She works for an advertising firm. Are you married, Gia?
No, I am not married. I am single. Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
How old are they?
My son is 6 years old, and my daughter is 4 years old.
That's nice to hear. I got to get going, need to buy some groceries, see you later.
Okay, you carry on, talk to you later. Bye.